Smartvestor Program Honest Review. Watch before using. The Smartvestor program, developed by financial expert Dave, connects individuals with a network of financial advisors known as Smartvest Pros. These professionals offer personalized investment guidance and financial planning services. It's important to note that the Smart Investor is not a robo-advisor. Instead, it facilitates connection between client and human financial advisor. And here are the key features about this platform. It comes with access to financial advisor, which allows to connect client with professional for tailored investment advice. Also, personalized financial planning with educational resources. They provide access to financial planning tools and educational materials. Here are the pros of this website. It comes with the personalized advice, educational support, and established network. And the downside of this is the advisor screening. Some reports suggest that the screening process for the Smartvestor Pros might not be rigorous and also potentially leading to varying advisors' quality and also fee structure. Clients have reported high fee associated with some Smartvestor service provided, and also the performance, reliability, investment outcome can vary based on the advisor's expertise and approach. And here's the overall verdict, which is the conclusion. The Smartvestor Pro program offer a platform to connect with financial advisors for personalized investment planning. However, potential clients should conduct thorough due diligence when selecting a Smartvestor Pro. So, considering factors like advisor's qualification, fee structure, and alignment with personal financial goals. For this, seeking automated investment solution, exploring robo-advisors might be a more suitable alternative.